Hello guys, welcome to Mass Updates. My name is Zakir. We're gonna speak about CytoMask, the decentralized wallet which is gonna launch and the latest updates that we have regarding the Cytoma Inu. Let's speak about all these information, and I'll be providing a brief price prediction at the end of this video. To know more about it, kindly stay tuned. And I will really appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and please suggest my videos to more of your friends so that they will also be knowing more about Saitoma as well as Shiba Inu latest updates frequently. We're gonna post updates regarding these two coins very frequently, the latest information, news out there, and we're gonna provide it to you. Cytomask. Yes, it's gonna happen. Only 2 more days left. On 30th of November, a small wallet that's gonna revolutionize the cryptocurrency market by solving fundamental problems in decentralized finance. We all know that we pay a huge amount of gas fees. That's just like paying a huge amount of a rebate to purchasing each of and every single coin out there. If it is not listed in a specific exchange, we do pay almost the double amount of amount that we pay for purchasing a coin out there. And we really do know, yes, that is a lot considering the amount of coins that we are purchasing. Let's look into the latest updates that we have that was provided by Russell, as well as the latest information out there regarding Saitoma Inu coin. But before, let's see what this week's market have provided as well. Yes, after such a long time, we are seeing a huge spike in Saitoma Inu's price range. It have grown almost 12 percentage today, and we have also seen that it's been a good day. And the last 30 days was very crucial, where we have seen almost 559 percentage growth in Saitoma wallet. Along with that, we have also seen huge number of people getting into Saitoma. The amount of people currently is 9,40,000 people has Cytoma. They are a part of Cytoma ecosystem. And we are expected after the launch of Cytomas, it will spike over 10 lakhs. That's for sure. Now, let's see what Russell have provided, the information provided by him. He have also agreed that there will be a huge exchange listing Cytoma at the end of the week. Let's get into that. Before that, Russell also provided us the information that we are going to penetrate the medical industries as well. A huge update regarding this also will be a part of the Cytomask launch, which is going to happen on 13th of November. We all know Cytoma is trying to be a part of payment facilities inside hospitals along US. We have also seen the CEO Russell, the higher end officials, all working to striving towards it to make sure that we will be listed under it. And the next big update that we have got out there is yes, regarding the visa collaboration that's gonna happen. And it is official that Russell have just announced Cytomask is gonna be integrating a payment system and solution with Visa. He also said that they had been going over contracts with Visa to make it possible as well. Russ mentioned today the Visa is currently working on something big with Cytoma. More to follow. As we all know, Cytoma's launch will be a platform there. Much more information regarding will be provided. And we have already seen, just give me a second there, the Visa update on their website where Visa is watching for. This is their website, and we do see a slot that is vacant right now. And we do all accept that this is going to be filled by the end of this week once the launch and the announcement is provided. We can see Cytoma, which will be appearing on these board at the space which is flagged right now. And moreover, the huge exchange listing. We all know Coinbase as well as Binance have already stacked up in regarding with Cytoma supply. We have seen a huge amount of coins that was purchased by Binance as well as Coinbase. It's a huge thing, guys. One of the major players. We already know that Binance and Coinbase are one of the huge player in the exchange right now. We have seen a lot of information provided. It sticks in the first top two spots, top five spots. Within the top five, we can certainly see Binance and as well as Coinbase listed. There is no other information need to be provided. It's crystal clear out there that they are gonna list it. Not that as well. Russell have provided one more information that all major exchanges out there will be listing Saitama within the end of the year. Only 7 weeks left to the point which we have provided. Yes, only 7 weeks, a handful of days to see the growth of Saitama in front of our eyes. And regarding the price production prediction, it's very easy. I'm not going to provide a huge spike in price prediction. Let's keep it a moderate way. I'm going to go ahead and calculate very medium and to put into the perspective was the growth that's going to happen. And especially, I'm going to stress this out. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing the calculation and the information that I've got right now. Starting with once the cytomask have launched, most probably if the hike is going like this, post or pre cytomask launch, we can see 1 0 which will be deducting from here. That's for sure, that's going to happen. There is no doubt in it. However, within the next 6 weeks which is going to follow is very crucial. Within the next 6 weeks, we do expect one more zero removing from this. So the total will be 501. That's going to be the prediction until the end of the year. It's a huge thing. Removing 20 means it will be growing a huge amount, a huge sum, which we can see. Let's be more patient and cross our fingers so that we will be able to see that point. Okay. And I really am happy so that you all are watching my video and making sure to being a part of our journey. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person who knows when I go ahead and post a video regarding the same. Once again, thank you so much for the time that you have provided and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Stay safe.